Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Commerce Coaching Classes. We already discussed about the old topic related to the first chapter of partnership, fundamental of partnership. Now the time for revised all the topic with the help of a numerical example. So first of all we can talk about the P&L appropriation account, profit and loss appropriation account. In P&L appropriation account, I already told you that in debit side, firm's all expenses shown, and in credit side, firm income are shown. Okay. So in debit side, profit and loss. In debit side, interest on capital, in partner salary, partner commission, all shown in the debit side. And in credit side, first of all, profit, net profit given in the question. We can shown firstly profit and one income of the firm, that is the interest on drawing. Okay, so question number 15. In short, you can take the screenshot of this question number 15. Question number 15. Okay, so in short, L and M are two partners. Their capital 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Their share 70% and 30%. It means 7:3. Profit of the firm 2,26,440 before interest on loan. Before interest on loan. It means I already told you that 3 or 4 items related to the charge against profit. One is interest on loan, second manager commission, and third rent. If the firm use the premises of any partner, then the firm paid the rent, that is the charge against profit. Sorry, charge against profit. Okay, now interest on loan. Before interest on loan, interest on capital 7% per annum. L gets salary of rupees 2,500 per month. M's loan, it means M give the loan to the firm rupees 80,000. IOD, interest on drawing at the rate of 8% per annum. L and M drawing rupees 36,000 and 48,000. It means L and M withdraw 36,000 and 48,000 from the firm. 1/10 profit, distributable profit. Distributable profit, not net profit. This is the distributable profit remaining after shown all the adjustment in the P&L appropriation. Then we transfer the 1/10 of the distributed profit into the general reserve. Now we can prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Before profit and loss appropriation account, if 3 items like interest on loan, manager commission, and rent, firstly we prepare profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Shown profit in credit side by profit 2,26,440. Okay, in debit side, to interest on M's loan. To interest on M's loan 80,000. When there is no information about the interest rate, we can charge 6%. Firm paid at the rate of 6% per annum interest on loan. So 6 8 is 4,800. Now remaining net profit transferred to P&L appropriation account. 226,440. 226,440. Now the remaining balance, that is the 2,21,640. Okay, now you can prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, profit transfer to the P&L appropriation account by profit 2,21,640. Okay, now first of all firm paid the interest on capital at the rate of 7% per annum to IOC L M. L's capital 3 lakh multiplied by 7%, 21,000, and for M 2 lakh into 7%, 14,000. Total interest paid by the firm 35,000. Next item, L gets salary rupees 2,500 per month. To L's salary 2,500 multiplied by 12, that is 30,000. Okay, next point, IOD at the rate of 8% per annum, and L&M drawing rupees 36,000 and 48,000 respectively. When there is no information about the when the partner withdraw the amount from the firm, okay, then we use the average method for the drawing. It means interest on drawing in credit side, because that is the profit of firm or income of firm. L M. L withdraw rupees 36,000. IOD rate, that is the 8%. We can charge the average period. Average period matlab 6/12. 6 month interest on drawing paid by the partner. Okay, 6 to the 12 to 4, that is the 1440, and for M 48,000 multiply by 8% to 6/12, 48 into 4, 1920. ओके, सो ड्राइंग के लिए ध्यान रखना है कि जब आपको इसकी डेट नहीं दे रखी कि ड्राइंग कब की है, तो अपने एवरेज पीरियड चार्ज करते हैं हमेशा 6 मंथ के हिसाब से. नेक्स्ट, 1/10 प्रॉफिट, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेबल प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर टू दी जनरल रिजर्व. सो ट्रांसफर टू दी जनरल रिजर्व, we can find the distributed profit after totaling the credit side. Credit side total 2,25,000, and 35 and 30, 65,000 less from the 2,25,000. Remaining distributable profit, that is the 1,60,000. 1/10 transfer to the general reserve. It means 16,000 transfer to the general reserve. Okay, now remaining profit distributed among partner. Remaining profit transferred to the capital account. Capital account. Remaining profit, that is the 1 lakh. Total remaining profit 1,44,000 distributed among partner in the ratio of 7:3. So L get 144 multiplied by 7/10, and M get 144 multiplied by 3/10. These share 1,08,000 and 43,200. Total 2,25,000. So this is question related to the profit and loss appropriation account. Now next question. Okay. Now next question related to the interest on drawing. We already talked about the interest on drawing. Interest on drawing had 3 methods. One is average method, second is simple average method, and third is product method. Most important, that is the average method. So we can solve the one question related to the average method. Question number 26B. 26B. Question number 26B. You can take the screenshot also. 26B. In 26B, XYZ are partner in a firm. You are informed that X draws rupees 4,000 from the firm at the beginning of every month. At the beginning of every month. First of all, first rupees 4,000, that is the equal amount withdraw on the first day of every month, beginning of every month, यानी हर महीने की जो फर्स्ट डेट होगी उस डेट को जो एक्स है 4,000 विड्रॉ करेगा. दैट इज द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द एवरेज मेथड. ओके, इन एवरेज मेथड इक्वल अमाउंट एंड ए फिक्स डेट व्हेन द पार्टनर withdraw the amount from the firm. Okay, so from interest on drawing, one formula is there for find out the interest on drawing. Total drawing multiply by rate over 100 and average period over 12. For average period, one formula is there. Find the average period. Months left after first drawing plus months left after last drawing divided by 2. Okay, in this question, X draws rupees 4,000 from the firm at the beginning of every month. Okay, there is no information about when the firm starting. Okay, if the date is given, suppose that XYZ started business on 1st July and accounting year closed on 31st March, then we can find out the 9-month interest on drawing. But in this question there is no information given, so we can let that the business started on 1st April, so we can find out for the whole year interest on drawing. Okay, so months left after first drawing, suppose that X draws 1st April rupees 4,000, 1st April, 1st May, इस तरीके से 12 मंथ तक उसने 4,000 विड्रॉ किया. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ड्राइंग की 1st अप्रैल को, देन मंथ्स लेफ्ट 12 months plus last drawing. X last drawing on 1st March. X last drawing कब होगी? 1st March को. It means 1st to 31st March months left after last drawing, that is the 1 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2, it means 6.5 months. Average period कितना आएगा? 6.5 months. Okay, now X interest on drawing. X interest on drawing, total drawing 4,000 for 1 month, for whole year, multiply by 12 into rate. In this question rate given है 9%, 9 by 12 and 6.5 divided by 12. पॉइंट हटा देंगे 0, 3 0 कट कर देंगे. ओके, नाउ आंसर इज 2340, 2340. That is the interest on drawing for X. For Y interest on drawing, Y withdraw 4,000 rupees, rate है 9% 9 by 100. Y draws at the end of every month, at the end of every month. It means सेम फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे इसके लिए भी. मंथ्स लेफ्ट आफ्टर फर्स्ट ड्राइंग उसने स्टार्ट की 30 अप्रैल को. फर्स्ट ड्राइंग कब की? 30 अप्रैल. फ्रॉम 30 अप्रैल टू 31 मार्च कितने मंथ्स हो गए? 11. कितने? 11 प्लस मंथ्स लेफ्ट आफ्टर लास्ट ड्राइंग उसने की होगी 31 मार्च को, सो 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, सो 5.5 मंथ्स. सो यहाँ आ जाएगा 5.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग 1980. सेम फॉर जेड, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग सेम अमाउंट 4,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12, सेम रेट 9%. एवरेज पीरियड जेड विड्रॉ in the middle of every month, in the middle of every month. It means जेड फर्स्ट ड्राइंग जो होगी वो होगी between 15 to 16 अप्रैल. 15 to 16 अप्रैल, तो 31 मार्च तक अपने अगर काउंट करें तो ये हो जाएंगे 11.5. लास्ट ड्राइंग ऑफ जेड ऑन 15 to 16th March, it means remaining months 0.5. 15 days, it means 0.5. So divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, it means 6 months. For Z, interest on drawing average period 6 months. Okay, now the interest of Z 2160. ओके, ये अपनों ने पूरे साल का किया है, आपको क्वार्टरली भी दे सकता है, 9 मंथ, 6 मंथ. सो फॉर्मूला यही यूज़ होगा, इस फॉर्मूले का आपको ध्यान रखना है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Yes, now we can solve the question number 54 related to the past adjustment. Important topic, past adjustment. Okay, 54. You can take the screenshot of question number 54. In short, ABC, 3 partners, their capital 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. IOC interest on capital 5% per annum. A gets salary 5,000 per month. C's commission at the rate of 5% on the profit after charging IOC but before salary. C's commission 5% on the profit after charging IOC but before salary paid to A. Net profit 3,60,000 distributed in the ratio of capitals without providing above adjustment. That is the identification of the question related to the past adjustment. Profit and loss share 2, 3, 5. Pass the adjustment entry, single adjustment entry. Okay, so we can solve the question number 54. For past adjustment, first we can analytical table. First column, particulars, 3 partner A, B, C. So A, B, C, and 1 column for firm. A, B, C, and 1 column related to firm. Divided debit and credit. Debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, and credit. That is the format of analytical table. Analytical table. Income of partner is the loss of the firm, and loss of the partner is the income of the firm. Like interest on capital is the income of the partners, but that is the expenses or loss of the firm. Same interest on drawing, that is the expenses of the partner, but that is the income of the firm. Okay, in this question, first of all, IOC 5% per annum. IOC 5% per annum. So interest on drawing, interest on capital, interest on capital. A is capital 1 lakh. Interest on capital given at the rate of 5%. That is the income of the firm. So credit side, 1 lakh into 5%, that is the 5,000. Same for B, 2 lakh into 5%, 10,000. And for C, 3 lakh into 5%, 15,000. Okay, in credit side. But in firm's column, debit side, total 30,000 will be debited because that is the expenses of the firm. Next, C, A gets salary 5,000 per month. A gets salary. A's salary 5,000 per month. It means 5,000 multiplied by 12. That is the 60,000 credit in A's column, A's credit column, and for firm 60,000 will be debited. Okay, next, Sees commission 5% on the profit after charging IOC but before profit but before salary. Okay, sees commission at the rate of 5% on the profit after charging IOC but before salary paid to A. In question, net profit of the firm, that is the 3,60,000. 3,60,000 and we paid the firm paid the interest on capital, total interest on capital 30,000. It means remaining profit firm का रह गया 3,30,000. So firm paid sees commission on 3,30,000 multiplied by at the rate of 5%. So C get commission at the rate of 5%. 3,30,000 multiplied by 5%, 16,500. C 16,500. That is the expenses of the firm. So we can show in debit side 16,500. Okay, C is commission. Next, 3,60,000 profit distributed in the ratio of capital without providing above adjustment. It means 3,60,000 का जो प्रॉफिट है ना वो रॉन्ग रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया हुआ है. किस रेशियो में? कैपिटल रेशियो में. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना था 235 में बट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया कैपिटल रेशियो में और विदाउट प्रोवाइडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, सैलरी, कमीशन. सो वी कैन रिवर्स द प्रॉफिट. वी कैन रिवर्स द प्रॉफिट. इट मीन्स प्रॉफिट wrongly distributed now reversed. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था कैपिटल रेशियो में तो रिवर्स भी किस रेशियो में लेंगे? अपने कैपिटल रेशियो में. कैपिटल रेशियो 1:2:3 बिकॉज द कैपिटल ऑफ द पार्टनर्स 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. 1:2:3. सो 3,60,000 रिवर्स्ड. तो जब अपनों ने प्रॉफिट दिया था तो पार्टनर्स के क्रेडिट किए थे अपनों ने. अब अपने रिवर्स कर रहे हैं तो पार्टनर्स को क्या कर देंगे? डेबिट कर देंगे. 60,000 फॉर ए, 120 फॉर बी एंड 180 फॉर सी. एंड टोटल इन क्रेडिट साइड दैट इज द 3,60,000. 3,60,000. सब कुछ अपनों ने शो कर दिया है जो जो क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है. बस लास्ट स्टेप है टोटल फर्म कॉलम, होल साइड डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट. फर्म क्रेडिट साइड एक्सेस देन द डेबिट साइड. सो फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस. दैट इज द डिफरेंस इज 2,53,500. Difference 2,53,500. We can show in the debit side of the firm. It means in debit side that is the loss for the firm but that is the profit for the partner. 253,500 distributed among partners. Profit distributed among partners in 2:3:5. So we can distribute 2,53,500 in the ratio of 2:3:5 in credit side. 50,700. Okay, 76,050 and 1,26,750. 1,26,750. Now last step of the analytical table, we can total all the debit and credit side of the partners. Okay, debit side 60,000, credit side 65 and 50,700. 1,15,700. 1,20,000. So 86,050. 1,80,000 and 15,000, 16,500, 1,58,250. ओके, बस अब आपको क्या करना है, ए के कॉलम में देखो किस साइड का टोटल ज़्यादा है, क्रेडिट, हाउ मच डिफरेंस ले लेंगे इनका, 55,700. सेम इसी तरीके से इसका टोटल डेबिट है, हाउ मच, दैट इज़ 33,950. सेम फॉर सी, डेबिट, हाउ मच, 21,750. okay, now we can make a single adjustment entry, journal entry. डेबिट है बी और सी, बीज कैपिटल वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पे, कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, बिकॉज देयर इज नो इन्फॉर्मेशन firm adopt fixed capital or fluctuate capital, so we assume that firm adopt fluctuate capital method. B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to A's capital account, 55,700, 33,950, 21,750. okay, so that is the question number 50. Yes, now the last topic, that is the guarantee of profit, one of the important topic of this chapter. So question number 109, you can take the screenshot of this question also. In short, P and H, Pranshu and Himanshu, partner in the ratio of 3:2, they admitted A for 1/6 share. Pranshu personally guaranteed that A is Anshu, A's share of profit not less than of rupees 30,000, net profit 90,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so profit and loss appropriation account. In profit and loss appropriation account, firstly we can write the profit in credit side. Profit given at 90,000 rupees, and that is distributed among partners, among all partner. P's capital, to H's capital, to A's capital, new partner admitted. In this question, P and H admitted A for 1/6 share. When the partner admitted, so firstly we can find out the new profit sharing ratio of all the partner. So when the partner admitted for 1/6 share, इतना ही लिखा हुआ है, तो अपने न्यू रेशियो फाइंड आउट करेंगे वर्किंग नोट में. न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो, सपोज firm profit 1, after admission of A, remaining profit that is 1 minus 1/6, it means 5/6. okay, now how we find out the new ratio? New ratio of P's old ratio 3/5 multiply by the remaining share 5/6, it means 15/30. For H, old ratio 2/5, remaining ratio 5/6, multiply 10/30. and for A 1/6 share और कन्वर्ट कर देंगे 30 के हिसाब से 5/30, it means new profit sharing ratio 15, 10, 5 और 3, 2, 1. Now 90,000, firstly 90,000 distributed among all partner in new ratio. So 90,000 multiply by 3 by 6, it means 45,000. 90,000 multiply by 2 by 6, it means 30,000. And 90,000 multiply by 1 by 6 means 15,000. Now in question, A get guarantee of minimum profit 30,000. A get guarantee of minimum profit 30,000 and A's actual share that is 15,000. It means A get 30,000 rupees. अगर ये एक्चुअल शेयर गारंटी से ज़्यादा है तो वो एक्चुअल शेयर लेगा, बट अगर एक्चुअल शेयर गारंटी से कम है तो वो गारंटी वाला शेयर लेगा. प्रॉफिट न्यू पार्टनर को ये है जिसको गारंटी मिली है. इट मीन्स 30,000 तो ये लेगा ही लेगा. और इसकी जो डेफिशिएंसी है, डेफिशिएंसी बोर्न बाय दी प्रांशु, बिकॉज प्रांशु पर्सनली गारंटीड दैट एच शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट नॉट लेस देन रुपीज़ 30,000. सो एड गारंटी गिवन बाय प्रांशु 15,000. इसका हिसाब तो हो गया कंप्लीट. और इसमें से अपने लेस कर दें, लेस गारंटी गिवन टू प्रांशु 15,000. इसने कुछ किया नहीं तो इसका डैश कर देंगे अपने. सो 30,000 टोटल 90,000. ओके, that is the question related to the guarantee of profit. Okay.